If you plan on being anything less than you are capable of being, you will probably be unhappy all the days of your life. If you only have a hammer, you tend to see every problem as a nail. What is necessary to change a person is to change his awareness of himself. What a man can be, he must be. This need we call self-actualization. The ability to be in the present moment is a major component of mental wellness. Work is that which you dislike doing but perform for the sake of external rewards. At school, this takes the form of grades. In society, it means money, status, privilege. One's only rival is one's own potentialities. One's only failure is failing to live up to one's own possibilities. In this sense, every man can be a king, and must therefore be treated like a king. The science of psychology has been far more successful on the negative than on the positive side. It has revealed to us much about man's shortcomings, his illnesses, his sins, but little about his potentialities, his virtues, his achievable aspirations. The fact is that people are good, give people affection and security, and they will give affection and be secure in their feelings and their behavior. A musician must make music, an artist must paint, a poet must write, if he is to be ultimately at peace with himself. If I were dropped out of a plane into the ocean and told the nearest land was 1,000 miles away, I'd still swim. And I'd despise the one who gave up. We may define therapy as a search for value. Dispassionate objectivity is itself a passion, for the real and for the truth. But behavior in the human being is sometimes a defense, a way of concealing motives and thoughts, as language can be a way of hiding your thoughts and preventing communication. The story of the human race is the story of men and women selling themselves short. A first-rate soup is more creative than a second-rate painting. Classic economic theory, based as it is on an inadequate theory of human motivation, could be revolutionized by accepting the reality of higher human needs, including the impulse to self-actualization and the love for the highest values. We fear to know the fearsome and unsavory aspects of ourselves, but we fear even more to know the godlike in ourselves. Education can become a self-fulfilling activity, liberating in and of itself. It is as necessary for man to live in beauty rather than ugliness as it is necessary for him to have food for an aching belly or rest for a weary body. Rioting is a childish way of trying to be a man, but it takes time to rise out of the hell of hatred and frustration and accept that to be a man you don't have to riot. Marriage is a school itself. Also, having children. Becoming a father changed my whole life. It taught me as if by revelation. I'm someone who likes plowing new ground, then walking away from it. I get bored easily. For me, the big thrill comes with the discovering.